Dear students, I am Dr. Hemant Sharma and this is the test assignment of chapter Anomalous Secondary Growth Part 2, which has been prepared under the aegis of Director General Higher Education, Haryana for undergraduate botany classes. In this part, we have studied about the anomalous secondary growth in Borrelia and Acaranthis. Based on this video lecture, there are some questions for you. First part is multiple choice questions, and the questions are: the dicot in which anomalous secondary growth occur is Triticum, Dracaena, Acaranthis or Helianthus. In Borrelia, the anomalous secondary growth occurs due to normal position of cambium with normal activity, abnormal position of cambium with normal activity, abnormal position of cambium with abnormal activity, or none of the above. The primary vascular bundles in Borrelia are arranged in 1 concentric ring, 2 concentric rings, 3 concentric rings, or 4 concentric rings. Fourth question is: in Borrelia, the secondary growth begins with the formation of cambium strips in interfascicular region in outer ring of vascular bundle, interfascicular region in middle ring of vascular bundle, interfascicular region in inner ring of vascular bundle, or cortex region. Which of the following is a product of secondary growth in Borrelia? Storage parenchyma, conjunctive tissue, secondary cortex, or wood? Which of the following is an anomalous primary structure in Borrelia stem? Medullary bundles, cortical bundles, internal phloem, or all of the above? Medullary bundles are found in primary stem of Dracaena, primary stem of Borrelia, primary stem of Acaranthis, or primary stem of both Borrelia and Acaranthis. Eighth question: included phloem is formed after secondary growth in Dracaena, Borrelia, Acaranthis, or Helianthus. Which of the following is not true about the primary stem in Acaranthis? Outline of stem is wavy due to ridges and furrows. Cortex is collenchymatous and chlorenchymatous. Presence of 2 medullary bundles or presence of a ring of vascular bundle. In Acaranthis stem, which of the following is formed after secondary growth? Included phloem, empty vessel vascular bundles, medullary bundles, or none of the above? These are total 10 questions which are multiple choice questions, and the second part is very short answer questions, and you have to give answer in one word or one sentence. First one is: define anomalous secondary growth. Name the dicots in which anomalous secondary growth occurs. What are medullary bundles? Name the plant in which included phloem forms during secondary growth. What is special feature of secondary growth in Borrelia stem? Now short answer questions, and you have to give answer in a short paragraph or note. First question is: write short notes on the followings with suitable example: medullary bundles, cortical bundles, and included phloem. Differentiate between anomalous secondary growth in Borrelia stem and Acaranthis stem. And in the last long answer questions, and you have to give answer in detail. And the questions are: describe the process of secondary growth in Borrelia stem with well labeled diagrams. How can you say that it is an anomalous secondary growth? Second question is: describe the process of secondary growth in Acaranthis stem with well labeled diagrams. How can you say that it is an anomalous secondary growth? And the last one is: what is anomalous secondary growth? Describe secondary growth in Borrelia or Acaranthis stem with well labeled diagram. And last, thank you.